Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on some hospitals that are being built in Jamaica. Some are being built, some are being renovated. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening in the hospital sector of Jamaica, or the health sector I should say, in Jamaica. Now, two massive projects are underway. One is the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They are rehabilitating it, and it is the largest hospital in Western Jamaica. They are spending billions of dollars. When they're finished, it's going to be like a new hospital. And then another major project is up at the University Hospital, which is the largest hospital in Kingston. I'm not sure which hospital is the largest in Jamaica, if it's the University Hospital of the West Indies or the Cornwall Regional Hospital, because they are building a second hospital on the compound of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They're building the Western Children's Hospital. That's going to be a massive structure with 220 beds. So I'm not sure which hospital is going to be the largest, the University Hospital or the Cornwall Regional. So guys, you can let us know, leave your comments in the section below or what you think. So let's go through the hospitals and then the list, and then we will go through each one in more detail. Now they're building a new ward at the Kingston Public Hospital in downtown Kingston. Spanish Town Hospital, they're literally building a new hospital. They're putting up a 6th-floor building. The Cornwall Regional Hospital is being rehabilitated. They're building the Children's Hospital West in Montego Bay, the same compound as the Cornwall Regional Hospital. They're upgrading the Maypen Hospital. They're doing upgrades to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. And they will be doing some work at the Kingston Public Hospital. Basically, they're going to be building a new hospital there. And they are doing some major work up at the University Hospital of the West Indies. They're going to build some 6th-floor buildings, tear down some structures that are there, and it's called the redevelopment of the University Hospital of the West Indies. So a lot is going on in the health sector in Jamaica, but the 5 big ones: Spanish Town Hospital, they're literally building a new hospital. KPH, they are literally building a new hospital. UA, literally building a new hospital. The plan is to put up 5 new buildings. Each building is 6 stories. They're building the Children's Hospital West, and they are rebuilding the Cornwall Regional Hospital. Those are the 5 major hospital projects in Jamaica.